Hey, up on the roof, or on the lean-to roof. Opportunity barn. Nice to see everyone. So, try to be cautious here. That trim board right there, I replaced. It was pretty rotted. And if you haven't seen my videos, right here, you've seen my 65 Ford wagon. Well, this is a 65 Ford front end that I got, and I have it wired in. I just redid all my wires, made sure they were all good, and inspected them. It's on a timer, and at nighttime it lights up. The headlights light up. Well, that's pretty cool. That's on the roof here at the barn. So let me flip the camera around and show you a little bit in the trim work that I did. So hold on. All right. This is wired in. Everything looks good. This has got the old chicken wire. I've been going around and pulling this all off. I don't like it. I gotta do more to it. I've slowly been redoing these windows, but they're so old. They definitely need some work. Anyhow, the cords are all good. It's all on a timer. I went around and put ties on it. This here, secured to both sides, here and here, with a heavy gauge wire. And a big bolt onto the strapping of the roof, and then on each here it's screwed in, big lag screw, and there's two right there, two big lag screws. That's what holds the front end on. She ain't going anywhere. I had rope, and that's why I redid it, because the rope was not a UV rope. So now this is heavy gauge wire, so that'll help hold it. We've been through a bunch of windstorms and it's been fine. There's our round pin. So I do have to, on this roof, I want to pull these nails and put bigger screws in with a washer behind it. Some of these are good, but some of these are not. See if I can pull one out. I mean, over the years, like right here, look. See, this is how big the nail is with a washer. Now I've got these that are substantially longer. If you look here, you see how much. Oh, hold on a second here, see if I can do this. So in comparison, long screw, longer nail, shorter screw. I'm going to put longer screws in, but I want them a little bit fatter too, so I'm going to go around and start doing that at some point. Take my tool bag. I might as well stick this one back in there. It's kind of useless. Actually, we'll put the longer one. I got like a minute. Yeah, see, that doesn't even go in. So I need something longer, and I gotta go at an angle to get the strapping at a different spot. Like so. I don't really like to bang it all the way, but screws work much better. So I'll show you the trim work I did. Got more to do. Well, that's a new piece of trim work. Nice new piece. I stained it. So yeah. Just a quickie video. I'll see if I can throw in some pictures of that lit up at night. So I'm Chris. This is Opportunity Barn. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.